Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Signals network. I will also go over their token sale, their white paper, and their working alpha in this video. So what is Signals network all about? Well, it's a marketplace of data science powered signals for trading cryptocurrencies. And as you'll see, their goal is really to bring machine intelligence and algorithmic trading open to the public for everyone to use, right? With the lowest cost possible. And they actually have a token sale. Their token sale starts on March 12th of 2018. As you can see, that's in about 15 days. And the hard cap is $18 million. I will get into more detail on all of that a little bit later in this video. But if you're interested in learning more, always have a link to them in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and jump right into the front page here. Here's a little picture with what the Signals network looks like, and I'm going to go over this in the alpha actually, so I won't touch up too much on that. But basically, as you can see, their goal is to make use of machine intelligence for human profit, right? And they really want to democratize machine intelligence in the crypto trading industry, because as you know, access to algorithmic trading, machine intelligence, supercomputers are not really available to the public, and only big players get to benefit from those options. So they're trying to change that. Now, why should you trust machine learning instead of your gut? Well, they go over a couple things here, right? For one, precision powered by data science. So everything on the platform is backed by a huge amount of historical data and computational power. Machines can make precise and complex decisions, and the key thing here, which they mention throughout the project, is no human decision making is integrated here. So it's all through computers and algorithms. And what's good with that is I think it's pretty accepted amongst the trading community. The general consensus is that human emotions and biases lead usually to bad trading and trading mistakes. So by using algorithms and machine learning, you can remove those issues completely, pretty much. And once again, that's something that wasn't really available before Signals. So lightning speed decisions, this is all done through, like I said, supercomputers basically, and big data insights. So that's just the huge amount of data that they have to make this the best platform possible. And they have a whole bunch of marketplaces and different little aspects of the platform that's made for all of this. I'm going to go into that in more detail on the white paper. But they're trying to revolutionize crypto trading by, for one, not having any need for programming skills, right? And the reason why they mention this is that often to create these algorithmic trading strategies, you need to have programming experience, etc., etc. Here, this is accessible to really anybody. And that's something that I find really awesome because, like I said, this hasn't really been a thing before Signals. And just as a side note, I think that the whole platform, you'll see in the alpha, but everything is really sleek. The website is sleek, and it just, gives a good sentiment for what's to come. Now, as I mentioned, supercomputers. So they're going to have decentralized supercomputers that will be able to process big data computations in a reasonable amount of time while still making it affordable for common users. And another thing that's going to be awesome is that crowdsourced wisdom is going to be integrated. And that will give a chance to, get kind of a consensus on what the general public finds. And so as you can see, generate powerful trading strategies augmented by crowdsourced wisdom. So everything is kind of backed by either, hard data facts, or there's also, this crowd and opinion-based aspect of the platform, which is good, right? To gauge sentiment is also a very powerful tool. Now, how does the Signals network work? Well, first off, you have to build algo trading models, but the key thing is that you don't need programming skills like I mentioned. So this is actually going to be really easy. As you can see, there's a bit of a drag and drop, it looks like, system. Second thing is that you can train your model before spending any money. And you do that by backtesting. What that means is you can test your strategy based on historical data and kind of see the results you get before you actually go out and put money on your strategy. So that obviously can be, can save you a lot of money and a lot of issues, problems, and mistakes. So you can actually, when you're ready, right, when you built your successful trading algorithm, you can confidently go into the market knowing that you've backtested it and that the results were good. So finally, you use your trading model to generate profit, right? That's basically what I just mentioned. And finally, you can also share and monetize your trading strategy. Now, this is a really interesting aspect of the platform, is that you can actually put up your trading model into the Signals marketplace so that anyone can pay you to copy basically your trades and your trading strategy. And just to go over the roadmap really quickly, as you can see, for right now we're in the token sale phase, but Q2 2018 is where they're going to be bringing on the indicators marketplace, data marketplace, signal trading strategies. For Q3 to Q4, we have the visual model builder, ML-based indicators, decentralized supercomputer integration, as well as the OS desktop app for live trading. Also bringing in copy trading here towards the beginning of 2019. And in Q1, Q2 of 2019, there's going to be cloud-based live trading crowd wisdom integration, as well as adaptive strategies, mobile application, and finally here later in 2019, that's going to be the OX trading protocol, obviously very important to keep things decentralized, as well as deep learning methods for signals extraction. To go over the team, they have actually over 20 machine learning and blockchain trading experts. A lot of people on the team, if you look, have great experience with algorithmic trading. And finally, the partners, we actually have some pretty big players here. iExec, right, working for cloud computing to solve complex computational problems. They also have Foxconn's SafeDX data center, and that will allow for big data storing, scaling, speed of processing. And finally, Stocks, right? That's for everything that has to do with the crowd wisdom indicators. Now, as for the token sale, like I said, that's going to be on March 12th, 2018 with a hard cap of $18 million. And something that I want to mention is that this is actually a lower hard cap that I've seen in a lot of recent ICOs. And as you know, it's always best to have lower hard caps. That prevents, kind of conflicts of interest and maybe greediness from the team. So no issues there as far as the Signals network is confirmed. And the Signal token is an ERC20 token, so you can purchase it for Ethereum and store it in a generic Ethereum wallet. So that's how the token sale will work. Once again, just to mention, the date is on March 12th, 2018. Now let's jump right into the alpha here. So here we are in the alpha. As you can see, we have a couple little things here. The portfolio is not really built out yet. Neither is the visual editor, but that's where you'll get basic infrastructure for assembling different strategies. And here you can see the marketplaces. Here is the strategy marketplace. And of course, keep in mind, this is just an alpha. But for example, here there's a Bollinger Bands strategy, and you can get some strategy stats, as well as visualizations and Signals history. So over here, you can actually copy trade this strategy, and you can kind of test and see, calculate your potential profit. So this, of course, changes depending on where we are on the chart, but there's a whole bunch of backtesting to actually test this out, as well as you can actually copy trade all these strategies. And what's great, right, once this platform is fully built up, you'll have a whole bunch of people that are selling basically their strategies, and you'll be able to see, how they perform, stuff like that. Now they also have the indicators marketplace. That's going to be more geared towards data scientists and developers who want to sell, brand new indicators, and as well as a data marketplace, which will enable users and external vendors to monetize their unique data sets by making them available for purchase. So really, basically something for everyone here, as well as a little community section, traders talk, competitions to keep the platform thriving and alive. And let's jump right into the white paper now. Over here, I think they give a really good, simple description of what the Signals network is all about. So it's to empower crypto traders with state-of-the-art algorithms from the data science community, which will allow them to optimize their profits. The Signal platform provides these tools in a user-friendly way, from advanced charting and classical indicators to complex statistical models, crowd wisdom-based inputs, etc., right, machine learning algorithms. And the Signals platform is a place where anybody can create fully customizable trading robots with no advanced technical knowledge required, right? No programming skills. And like I mentioned before, they're bringing this to the public when previously, right, this whole algorithmic trading world and these advanced, statistical models, as well as this huge amount of data, was only available to big institutions, big players in the game. So here we have the actual use case of the token, which is that all paid features available on the Signals platform will be accessible exclusively using the Signals token. And they have two main revenue streams. First, there's the Signals marketplace that charges a fee for each purchase, right? That's what I went over before. Things like the data marketplace, the strategy marketplace, indicator marketplace. And the second revenue stream is the Signals cloud solution for deploying strategies, right? And that's a subscription-based model with several tiers to choose from. And so all these features that are paid features will be accessible only using the Signal token for payment. One thing that I'm sure a lot of you are wondering about, and they have a good answer for this, is can you trade, will this automatically be on your exchange account? And the answer is yes, right? There will actually be connection to your crypto exchange account, and there's also mobile connection and alerts. Here they talk a little bit about the community. There's actually going to be 20% of the Signals tokens that are reserved for users and early adopters. Now they're going to be setting up competitions, right? Strategy competitions, data competitions, and there's going to be rewards for that, but also just a great thing to keep the platform truly alive and thriving, like I mentioned. So a couple things about the Signal token. As you can see, 50% of SGNs will be offered for sale to the public contributors during the distribution process, 20% reserved for the community, 18% is allocated towards company reserve, 10% is allocated to advisors and partners, and 2% is for bounty programs, basically. Now, for the pricing, what we have here is that they already had their token pre-sale that sold out successfully, 500,000 worth. And the current stage that we're in, right, that we will be in soon, right, like I said, March 12th, is the token sale phase. Now, the hard cap is $18 million, and there will be a 15% discount on the first token sold, which will then gradually decrease, with the last token sold having no discount. And the minimum transaction amount is 0.1 ETH. Token sale will end either 4 weeks after its beginning or at the moment when the maximum cap is reached. And after the end of the token sale phase, if the minimum catch was reached, but not all SGN's tokens were sold, all of the remaining SGNs will be burned. And with that being said, everyone, this completes my review for the Signals network. Now, once again, if you're interested in their token sale, that's March 12th, 2018. And if you want to learn more information about them, I'll have a link in the description of this video where you can check them out on their website. And I thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.